Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the OXO top bottle brush with nipple cleaner and stand gray. It opened easily at exactly the point which was described, yet felt securely enclosed upon arrival. Love the holder that lets it dry and keep firm for easy bottle cleaning and many other items. Many others have the flimsiest bristles that don't even do anything, but this one has substantial, plentiful and durable bristles. This also helps it from getting put on the counters or left in the sink and looks neater. The stand also has a detachable part at the bottom that collects water that drips and let you clean it as well. Cleans bottles well and has a stand for it sit and for it to dry, which is handy. The base has a nice little drain hole so water doesn't build up in the base. This one stay put away from the hazards of a dirty sink or kitchen counter. The bristles are stiff enough to clean but soft enough to go into all the nooks of the bottle nipples and lids easily. Tried a few others and this works the best for Dr. Brown's bottles, even our Hydro Flask water bottles and more. It's totally worth the price, and the nipple cleaner is easy to access without the top constantly popping, falling, slipping off. Brown bottle cleaner and a few off-the-wall brands, and this takes the cake. Well worth the money. Emo. This is the best product for cleaning infant bottles, its accessories and breast pump, etc. It also has a smaller head which is really handy for smaller size baby products. Cleaning the pumps and bottles is a pain in the ass, but this thing makes it much easier. This one is sturdy and cleans baby bottles and nipples perfectly while easy to clean. The nipple cleaner is also nice to have built in for breast milk in particular. It also dries fast and has a flap on the stand to empty any standing water and clean it out. Need to stay hydrated works really well, and what initially sold me on it was the stand nipple straw cleaner for bottles. Love that it stands upright for cleanliness and you can empty the bottom spout and detach for cleaning. The stand is nice and collects water but feels a bit rickety. If you barely touch it, it may fall over. It is very sturdy and the head does appear to have some give and be a little flexible when necessary. Its stand is nice and the bottom of the stand comes off to clean out any water or buildup. This is the best one for functionality, ease of storage, design, especially for drainage, etc. It doesn't have the sponge on the end and the bristles are very soft so they fit into bottles of any size. It sits so well in its little stand, and the stand has a drain for the accumulated water. It works up great suds in the bottle and fits perfectly into our Medela bottles. The stand is perfect to sit on back of sink without having to lay it down or hang it against a dirty wall. Only downside, which is a minor one, is that the end is too soft and sort of splatters when you pull it out of the bottles. The stand can go in dishwasher too, so it's nice and clean all the time. It has its own stand that allows it to dry, reducing risk of bacteria, etc. Also worth noting, it's super soft, which helps reduce scratching and damaging of bottles. It makes cleaning bottles very easy, especially small areas, with a little extra piece that it comes with. It is sturdy and the attached nipple cleaner is good for getting into the crevices of the bottle lids. Sturdy handle bristles appear to be solidly attached bristles compressed to get into bottles but expand firmly to do the cleaning. The stand is great and easy to clean out the water that drains into it. This is perfect. It does a great job cleaning and the stand is very functional. It cleans nicely, foams, the soap dries on the little stand. Really couldn't ask for more. The stand drains water out as it to keep itself clean and dry without having water build up inside the stand. It definitely has a longer lifespan than the other brand and is easy to clean since it is not a sponge. Love that you can screw the little one right back in, as there is a little hole for it to dry out while assembled. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.